Nick Nielsen, Certified Financial Planner. Today I'm going to answer the question, do I need a financial plan? I'm going to give you a contrarian answer and say no. Let me give you an example and let me tell you why I feel that way. Let's consider that you're a 40-year-old who has a $5 million liquid net worth. From a financial planning perspective, if we ask the question, how is this person doing? Most of us would say this person is doing really well. Now let me give you some additional information. Let me tell you that 2 years ago, this individual inherited $100 million. So they have burned through 95% of their inheritance in 2 years. Now let's re-ask the question. From a financial planning perspective, how is this person doing? Most likely would say probably not so well. You see, the problem with a financial plan is that it only tells you where you're at today. It doesn't tell you where you've came from or what you've accomplished so far. Now, in fairness, a financial plan should tell you the appropriate next steps to take. We believe that the value is not in the plan. The value is in the planning. As soon as a financial plan is put into place, unfortunately, it's wrong. Now, we hope that by having a plan, it's less wrong than by not having a plan at all. We believe that the ongoing monitoring of the plan is where the magic happens, to make course corrections and adjustments along the way. In closing, planning is greater than the plan.